Hi, so here's what you do if you want rolling credits. Basically, you click on the end credits, you go to edit, and here it is at start. So what you need to do is you need to select the credit here and drag it to where you would like it to start. So I'm going to drag it and it will start from here, and we're done. So next you click on end, and when you click on end, you're going to drag it to where you would like the credits to end. So you scroll up, it's going to end here. And we are done editing. So you click on play. Let's go back and click on play. Now if it's moving too fast and you want it to move slower, all you need to do is click and drag the box to make it slower, and that's it.